There is something about the wheel that demands you be exactly where you are. You can't rush the clay, it won't let you. Today, we're going to spend some time together, just centering, opening, and pulling. No pressure to make a masterpiece. Just practice. Centering is the conversation. It's about balance. If you aren't centered, the clay tells you immediately. It wobbles. It resists. You have to breathe, use your arms, and lock your elbows. Once you find that sweet spot, the clay goes quiet. It becomes a perfect, still pillar. For a cup, we want a narrow footprint. We're going to pull those walls straight up, keeping them thin but sturdy. A cup should feel like a handshake, familiar and comfortable in the palm of your hand. Take your time with the rim. That's where your lips meet the vessel. Smooth, soft, intentional. And there, a simple, humble cup, ready for a slow morning coffee. The beauty of pottery is that you can always start again. If it isn't working, or if you just want to feel that first moment of contact again, you just reset. Grab your tools if you are working along with me, or a cup of your favorite beverage, relax and enjoy the making of this cup to this smooth music. different energy. It's more expensive. It's about holding space. When we open this one, we aren't going for height, we're pushing outward. We're inviting the clay to bloom. Watch how the curve flows. It's easy to get caught up in how it looks, but focus on the clay's tension. Is it even? Is it happy? When you push, do it with the grain of the clay, not against it. Two different vessels, two different intentions. One for holding, one for reaching. Thank you for sitting with me in the studio today. Remember, it's not about the final form, it's about the flow of the process. I hope you find some space for yourself today, too. See you next time. Thanks for spending some time with me today. I hope you are relaxed and productive. Take care.